good. Can I tell the difference between Timmy and the rest?
Who is that attacking me? Gage?
This is a training little baby. Ferocious lying you.
They're playing in the store. Who are you holding, Mommy?
I've got Timmy and I've
Turn
got
this way.
Popcorn and Tim.
Popcorn and Timmy. Tiny Tim.
Who thinks he's David as in David and Goliath? Yeah, you're not a weakling.
Lacey. Whoop, who are we missing? There's Marley. There's Marley.
Oh, you go get a chip?
Where's Gage? Gage, you in the back office? Gage, Gage. What you doing, Gage, Gage? Hey. Tearing up the rug? Yeah, go back in there with the other ones. All the way back into the store. They're going all the way into the gift store side now. Okay, I'll get them two out of there. Time for these guys to head back to the house.